Ooh, 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 ooh. Salam, salam, salam. كما ويلكم عند ويلكم بروح سنبتي قبلنا لهم معلتي شهان ستيو اللي بوتاكريكم استراحة سبسكرايبر ده بتحكم مني كلاتكم كمسكنكم يدلي بزم هنيات حدا خلت بوتات كذا عربتني مالتي أبي إدمنتون كندا حتى لكم كحملوا سي نفاس كنا لو بتعمي تعمل نفاس زول اسمها أنا هنكيت يا قال حتى ملسي شنسان بس لو زفنا ذاتهم جزاهم كوفي لكم ريلاكس لكم ساكت أنهم قدموكم إذا حدثتم وتدلهم لايك ورو سبسكرايب ورو لايك حتى ويا عقم حالة كل طريقة ينزل حتى مع الجيب ناخدنا Can I come in? You can take that shutter off. Okay, can you hold this for me? We'll just go drive through. We have a cameraman today. We have a cameraman. It's kind of cold outside, but not cold inside. So, kubratin guys na. Macam magtak. Namit ni Gabran kami siya. بجن مرتا كاميرا ماني كريكم
سلام سلام
كاميرا ماني كحزليو شاهنا جزانا بدحر شاهي اب كلتا بوتات ممكن مدينة لنا سون كريكم بزخونه نوح دخونه جيرني تبينا دلو انا انجوي كتقبروا highly invite كبركم مالتي ابستفعل بوهات ممكن جيز جزاتنا ما زلنا دي جزاتنا نفاس قنالو بتاع من نفاس أنا في ولا خن نقرأ نقص على أقرب تري ولا خن أوام قلنا عن نفاس على still بس كأنه قالوا خير طبيعي بلنا ناقص العلامة هنا I think the camera can turn itself so
yeah
yeah at any time you want to turn it you can just turn it there أبزن نقطع شاهي ولا في داون تاون دل؟
في داون
تاون دل yes بقى بزيوا
لا سوي بزنس
بتعامل حيزناكم كيدنا كله تسيتي كان يأكم هنا كتمانا مع خندي معكم هنا خريقكم يا زحت سبا زحتكم اني اي فلوج انت عندك خلنا نهج
دي I can left right
عارف فنان زعرقي بشم كتمانا كفوتو واحد لا يزوم تزاورت مزولهم قال سبات على لسوم تري ولا كوزو انا شو دم السيري
downtown قاعدين
is it yeah downtown عتنا still good قريبنا هنا
7
Yeah. እዚ ብድሕሪ ገዛትና ዘሎ እዩ ኣብዚ Unitarian Church ሎ actually it's quite nice to be honest now as you استጋነነ ወይ as you ዝማዕበለ ከባቢ ይብሉ ግን ስራሕ ንፋሚሊ ገላት ምስ ትደልዩ ኤድመንተን ተመራፅት خياف تسلل كعبد بلغا straight yeah straight ahead is it one way is it I think ab Calgary ولا حبيشة بس كابير مثلا ولا حب
yeah
زي Oliver Square بعد رأيكم زي نمو هنكيرا بزي لينك بعد واسع بلدنا غيرنا Oliver Square منحلة
yeah
زي Oliver Square بعد زي second cup coffee نهلا تابزيا registry yeah London drugs McDonald أبزن هلا زي RBC بانكي في أمان الله ما عاد ستوب ساين له حلقة حيش بتغير كيا ترافيك لايت مليء هذا عادي والله سامر كون كله constructions للجمر بتروح له معنا أي constructions تاعي بتغير كيا construction تجميرات حكا هتشوفوا ده نزجيروا عنه بابل سايد أنا غير وجه الله
my car
yeah so is it was لهم restaurant تاتي بيمانا دول Kelter yeah Kelter downtown كنا توقف من حاجة መቼም መግለጽ ናይ ገዛውትና በኩም ኣለኹ እዚ ትሪእዎ ዘለኹም ማኪዋን ዩኒቨርሲቲ ይበሃል እዞም ትምህርቲ ትደልዩ ሰባት ዝበዝሕ ሓበሻ ኣብዚኣን ኣብ ኔት ኣብ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ ኣልበርታን እዩ ዝመሃር ወትዎ ኢኹም ትምህርቲ ኣሎ እዚ ኮሌጅ እዚ ማኪዋን እዚ ዩኒቨርሲቲ እዚ ብጣዕሚ ዓብይ እዚ ዓብይ
ስናለቀሽ ማኪዋን
أزياء مجمع ቡና መሆንገ drive through ኢና ክንገዝእ
Yeah, bumili tayo ng Q1 University natin. After natin.
Yeah. The whole thing.
University of Alberta yan.
Oh yeah, dami. Dami. እዚ ትበሎ ለኹም ናይ ካናዳ ገንዘብ እዩ ዓሰርተ ቅርሺ ማለት እዩ ሓንቲ ቡንካ ቅርሽን 92 ቅርሺ ዋጋ ማለት እዩ ሓንቲ ቡን ናይ ቲም ሆርተንስ ማለት እዩ ቡን ፓስ በስማ ቦሎስ ቅዱስ ብጣዕሚ ንፋስ ኣለዎ ንስኹም ኢንጆይ ንክትገብርዎ ጎቦን ስንጭሮን ንፋስን ፀሓይን ግን ብጣዕሚ ይሕግዝኩምኒ እቲ ናይ ቻነል ዝሃብኩምኒ ስፖርት ርእቶታት ኮመንት ኩሉ የንብበ በዚ ምክንያት ከዓ ብመዓልቲ ሰንበት ገለገለ ከተማና ከሪኦም ከመይ ትመስል ከተማ ድብልኩም ሰባት ኣለኹም ብዛዕባ ስራሕ ተዛሪብና ነርና ብዛዕባ ናተይ ሞያ እውን ብዙሕ ሕቶታት ሓይትኩምኒ ነርኩም ብብዝሒ ከዓ ከምፅየ ኢለ ነራ ከም ሓቂ ክዛረብ ከምቲ ኣነ ዝተመባፅዕኮ ብብዝሒ ኣብ ሞያይ ተመርከሰ ቪድዮታት ይሰርሕኩን ኣብ ሕጂ እኒኦ ግን ቃልያተልኩም ሞራ ሞያይ ተመርከሰ ቪድዮታት ዝሰርሐ ብዙሓት ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ኣብ መኪና ዘለዎና ኣፍልጦ ኣየናይ ዘይቲ ትገብረላ መኪና ካሲ እንታይ ትወስድ ነዚ ፊኒስትራ ከማን ምዕፃው ኣሎ ከዓ ኣሎ ገለገለ ሰብሲ ከምዘይፈልጥ ኣስተውዒሎ እሞ እዚ ካብቲ ብዙሕ ሰብ ሓተኒ ብዛዕባ ሲት ቤልት ብዛዕባ ፊኒስትራ ከመይልካ ተንቀሳቀሶ ንኣብነት ነዚ ተንቀሳቀሶ ኣሎ ትበሉ ፊኒስትራ ከመይልካ ተንቀሳቀሶ ያ ከምኡታት ከምኡን እዚ ዘሎ ባትና እንታይ ምዃኑ ዝተፈላለዩ ሕቶታት ከምኡ ዝመስል ማስ ኣገዳሲ ዝብሎ እንታይ ዓይነት ዋሸር ትገበላ ንኣብነት ገለገለ ሰባት ናዚ ፊኒስትራ ገበራ እዚ ዋሸር ፍሉድሲ ትውዳእኩም እሞ ኣበይ ተእትዎ ዘይትፈልጡ ሰባት ኣለዎም ኩላትኩም ኣይኮንኩም ግን ገለገለ ሰባት ኣለዉ እጂ እቲ ዕላማና ከዓ እንደይፈልጥ ንክፈልጥ እምበር እንደፈለጠ ፈሊጡ ትርጉም የብሉ እንደይፈልጥ ግን ተፈሊጡ ወላ ካብ ሸሕ ሓደ ይኹን ኩላትና ፅቡቅ ይበሃላ እየ ሄሎ Hi, can I get a medium coffee double, please? Is that all? That's all? Yeah. So what, next other window?
Shit, I don't even know.
You don't even know? Do you have anything to throw away? No, nothing? Okay.
No. It's usually the next thing.
Yeah. They started selling pizza.
Where, here?
Is it pizza? Yeah.
No, they have multiple. There's like Wendy's and stuff.
No. Tim Hortons. Pizza street allo.
Oh.
Right. Bacon pizza, flatbread, pepperoni, chicken pepperoni gala.
I didn't know that.
In fact, near last time Skurkur AMC. So we have pizza lana gala lemon. Like what?
That's a reaction.
Okay. Oh, is it my result?
Yeah, didn't have to go. It's not a problem.
No.
Era so ilang musawat.
Hey.
Salam gala ba تصحفوا
No. What's up? Trust me, what's up? They'll come. What's up? Sometimes it's up live, if you're speaking English, it's much better. just because you don't know who's coming. But not the subscribers, mostly. I mean, Habesha. See, but it's okay.
They can hear what we're saying now, right?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay.
You checked it, right?
Which one?
When I was outside.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's perfect then. Yeah. I have another coming as you keep on moving.
Things are too. Show them around that side, actually.
Just go roll the video na. Add another command hope you're enjoying it. When you come to watch, please do subscribe so you can stay tuned in for the next one. Job team more than now, just trying to get coffee so that we can.
I think that if Canada and Hello, they know Team Hostings.
Yeah, most of that was Canada can phone now viewer.
Really?
Maybe maybe I said about Canada, US Hello, Germany, a lot from Germany to that matter.
Oh wow.
Yeah. حبشة كل علم من الله. المارس كمان كيلو تفتشوا ده.
احنا قدام هذا دخلنا عندي.
إذا مارس مسكرة حبشة على كبير. First human being in Mars. Yeah, not dinner. So I can't help it.
Not flag gallery.
Keep the camera like down. Not.
Oh, okay. Second one.
So.
Yeah, sure. It's oh, okay. Where is this? Oh, Edmonton. This is in Edmonton, Alberta.
This is a Tim Hortons coffee that's right around downtown.
Yeah, around McEwen. Around McEwen.
McEwen University.
Where are you from?
Where are you guys watching this from?
Sorry if I mispronounce your name. Can you read that, bro? It's like
Nuruddin or not Farouk?
Okay. I think he said it perfectly.
I guess. Oh, yes.
He's going from Nigeria, Gombe State. Oh, okay.
No way.
Are you currently in Nigeria now?
We get in. They call it motion. You got motion in Nigeria? There's no way, buddy.
Nigerian viewers.
No way. We made it. We made it, buddy. Wow! What a spectacular moment in this life.
Yes. Oh yeah. So wow.
No way.
Very nice.
Okay, buddy. You plan to come to Canada? When you coming to Canada, buddy?
When you come into Canada,
yeah, when you coming, we just want to know the time.
Time and place, indeed.
Time and place. Yeah.
Benny, very soon I'll be in Edmonton. Shall we meet, please?
Yeah.
Nadia,
Thank you, broski.
Danny the Great.
Danny the Great. They're hyping me up. Thanks, broski. You take care.
See, yeah, said you pronounced the name perfectly.
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, bro. I'm
Umar Farouk.
Yeah, bro.
I'm pretty close, but it's
I'm PR trained, eh? It's Anyway, we got the coffee. Show him. Let's show him the coffee.
Oh yeah.
We got the coffee. Medium double. Nice coffee. Yeah, it tastes the same. But yeah, this coffee, you think that it's gonna keep you awake for days, but nah, buddy. It's just. It's like at this point, it's become kind of the habit. Like we drink coffee all the time, so at this point, it's become like a habit. You don't drink it. You be like, no, it's gonna keep me awake. Not really. It's not gonna keep you awake anywhere. Let me tell you something about Canadians, eh? They are nice people. There you go. They are nice. They say thank you. They say please. That's the thing you won't find surprisingly. You won't find them and like, thank you. Please. Sure. No worries. Yeah, that no worries is going to get you the first time. Because you got to have some worries in life. But no, not in Canada. No worries. No, none. Not really little bit. No. No worries. And soon enough, you say the same thing. You be like, yeah, no worries. What's your question, Nadine? So, oh, I see. Glad to chat with you guys. Yeah, bro. Right now, I have no plans to leave Nigeria. Oh, buddy. You say which state do you live in Nigeria?
You know, Nadia?
Oh, Nadia Haftam. Happy to see you. Oh, thank you, Nadia Hafte. Appreciate that.
Said Gombe State.
Bombay State. Nice. Now downtown. We're gonna show you downtown. We're gonna go around, do a drive-through, and then.
They come all Alka from Kampala.
Oh, ناي كامبالا دا حنت مالها تمالي حنتي جيرزي تمالي لك خف لك كيف جامس متاعي بحكي بإنستغرام مو حدلني نتي I just need a jersey. I miss Kampala, like I really do. Show him that building.
This is basically the center of downtown.
Yeah, we're gonna go the other side.
Yeah,
we're gonna go the other side.
From Sadat El Kala.
Thank you. Yeah, that's nice. She's so nice. She's so kind. Very supportive.
Thank you, Nadia. Thank you.
Yeah.
Listen, Kanalo.
You up downtown. Show them through the window if you want. That way you get a clear picture of the door. I got it. Yeah, it moves. It's trying to balance your weight.
Farouk is saying, wish to have a chance to forward my studies. So, are you saying like you're hoping to come here, or do you have like a plan, or
what are you trying to study? Oh, you see that? Those are buildings. You gotta focus on the road as well.
Archives and museum. Nadia says, I wish to be there with you in my dream city.
Oh, Edmonton or Calgary?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay, you welcome. Mati. Give me a call once you come here.
What do you hope to study? Farouk.
This city is actually nice, I'm not gonna lie.
Nice. It's decent.
Yeah, it's decent. It's not crazy, but it's calm. Like it's really, it's going to slow you down a little bit, which is good, so you can focus more on what is really important.
Oh, I study botany. Yeah, in Gombe State University. Do you know what that's about?
Just read in your head first before you say it out loud, just so that you don't write something down, and then you read it out loud. To be writing some crazy stuff.
Yes.
Taylor?
I studied.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what that is either.
Edmonton. Oh, I'd have to. You will love it. Let me talk to Nadia. Just show me.
Okay.
I'd have to. When you come to Edmonton, just text me. I'll show you around the city. Promise. You have my Instagram already. Just say, hey, Benny, I'm here. I'll show you around. We'll make days for you. Show them around the buildings and everything. You gotta show them around.
Oh yeah, my fault.
You gotta stand on business.
I used to like my fault.
No.
Because they are
Oh, let's see if we can find parking here. Sunday, are they gonna charge us to park?
Probably, because that guy's paying.
Park here? Let's see.
Yeah, I
don't think we can pay on Sunday. It's free. It should be free.
Guy's paying right there. So.
Inside, yeah. Outside, no.
What do you mean inside?
This is like paid parking, but outside. I don't want to pay for parking.
Enter license plate, choose time.
Yeah. I mean, if you park inside, yes. But we're not gonna park inside. We're gonna park outside.
Instagram نعاقبل كخفت إيانا.
Okay, Instagram يبلكن. ها؟ نادو. ما حلتها تفتي من Instagram ديالك أما هم اللي تفتي منها. سوشيال ميديا دي يبلك ده أمو ناد حفتي ده أمو. Oh, that's one way by Betty.
وأنا إدمنتون كورة خالد نستعجل رمضان.
Oh yeah.
أبزا من حبن.
Edmonton قري كم ذات ريوا وازاي كونتن. نقول برد نمشي صحي قلي.
كده في يلا هون كي تقول شو عيدا
لا واو.
قالوا سالي.
عليك قاعد سفن. بينهور. صوت كيف فتو. ليا. Dia mak ada parallel parking sih. Dia mak ada tawon sih. Ada ولدات مكان.
قبل يمكن هايدار.
Nah, driving si video saya halus me. There's payments required here? No way, bro.
Yep.
No,
It says no parking to it. Oh,
No.
no? Okay.
I wanna pay, bro. There's no way. You're gonna park for 2 minutes.
Farooq is asking, is there any clue that will make things easier for me to come here and study?
Oh, يلا أنا حكي لك فاروق عركي. I'm not so sure. I'm not sure if I'm the right person to answer that. Maybe I'll ask people that I know of if they have answers. But I'm gonna be honest. I'm not so sure. I gotta be honest. Bro, I've never seen this house. Is that the government house?
No, I
No?
don't think so. It's done.
I've never been this side. We've
Neither
lived
have I,
here.
actually.
Yeah, we've lived here how long? And it's ridiculous how we just live, work and live. That's it. We don't even like literally we exist.
Yeah, I've never seen this building.
That's what I'm saying. Probably from
Oh,
far.
it's a hotel.
Is it?
Yeah, look there.
Chate La Combe. Bro, when are we gonna open our own hotels?
Soon.
Soon enough, eh?
Yes, sir. It's getting windy though.
Yeah. Let's first go over there.
Where?
Over there, but had a side. Let's go over there. I've been planning to have like yeah, it's windy. I've been planning to have a vlog like this where we go live and somebody's actually showing you the city. That's what I've been trying to do. And finally it's happened. It's finally happened. I hope you're enjoying this.
ኣብ ኤድመንተን እንድሕር ኣለኹም ከዓኒ ደይከድናያ ቦታ እንድሕር ኣሎ ንገሩና ኢኹም ኣኸልና
Yeah.
ገለ ፅቡቅ ቦታ እንድሕር ኣሎ
What's Haina?
Huh?
Bro, it's nice. If it's not windy, wind Kazakh it would have been fun.
Yeah.
But it's too windy. And I think crosswalk is over there.
I think it would have been safer to stay in Tavit. Just in case.
No. It's Sunday. We're not gonna go. We're just gonna stay here and then dip. You don't think I don't want that. That's crazy. We'll ask that guy if it's free parking or whatever.
Yeah, what do you know though?
Yeah.
I think he just paid.
Hey buddy, is parking free or we gotta pay? It's free, right? Sunday. Right? Right on. Thanks, bud.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks.
Yeah. It's free, bro. You're gonna make us pay the government for free? Ah, bro. They
Yeah,
don't
we're
need-
enjoying this chat with you, Farooq, too, man.
Farouk, my boy.
From Nigeria, yeah, big man.
Huh? Nigeria, big ups.
What is your t-shirt size? Ooh, Nadia is serious, bro.
Nadia is serious. I'm medium size, but still growing. Could change.
Let's go this side, Ben.
Where?
This side.
Yeah, we'll go. But go through. Safety first. E-bus. Where does this go?
Probably Calgary and all that,
E-bus.
I assume.
Probably. Right? Welcome to Canada. Yeah, I wanted to show you our cameraman.
I'm the guy behind the camera.
Guy behind the camera. Behind the scenes. Making it happen.
I was told the more numbers go up, the more my paycheck goes up. So guys, please support me out here. You know, I'm trying to make a living.
Trying to
So-
make a living is crazy.
I'll take it now.
Bro, seriously, it's beautiful.
Yeah, no, I've never been this side.
Yeah, me too. Just hold on, yeah.
He said your
Howdy.
name, please.
Alaikum salam.
Yo, Ben.
Yeah?
He asked your name.
Oh, my
Names.
name?
Okay. Yeah, what's your name?
It's Ben Hur. Ben Hur Mihari. If you Google my name, you're gonna find a few things about me. The chess part, I play chess. What else? I don't know.
What else do you do?
What else do I do?
I hear you have a YouTube channel. Tell us about that. Let's hear about it.
Oh, okay. Well, this YouTube channel I started in 2023, 2023 January, I'd say, and this is actually a celebration. I've been saying I'm gonna go live on the street and been waiting for it to hit like some big number. Plan was to get it to do a live when we hit 10K, but we already hit 20K, so it was about time. I'm very grateful for everyone who supported, who commented, because I can see results, and surely it's because of y'all. You gave me the ideas, your comments, really supportive. So yeah, so this is why I decided, you know what, let me show them around the city. I'm a chess player. I play chess. Essentially, if you Google my name, the first thing that's gonna come is the chess that I played, because I have a lot of games that I played with people live in Uganda where I had ratings, and I actually took it serious from I played chess from 2010 till like 20, I still play, but I competed until I'll say 18, 19. After that, I came to Canada, and then, yeah, kind of started working, and I just play chess for fun now, not really competing. But yeah, let's go now. Bro, that's really nice. We gotta go there.
We're down there?
Where is Latin Rid?
Oh, yeah, let's go check
You
this
feel
out
like
first.
that way?
No, let's go this way. The camera's good too.
It's clean. That's the whole idea. Maybe soon we'll do street interviews. We'll do that.
Actually, if you're on right now, let us know like what questions you want us to ask if we go on street interview, basically. What you guys want to hear.
Bro, this is nice. Seriously, this is not. Maybe we've been.
I don't know if we can cross yet.
Oh, we can cross here. Let's go. It's blinking.
Only wasn't windy, eh?
Yeah, if only it wasn't windy, it would have been nice. Like literally. Are you enjoying the view? Are you liking the view? Like it better now? Nadia, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you soon too. That's the whole plan. That's the game plan. We're gonna show you like downtown side now. Let me show you how it looks.
Sir?
It's about to rain, so should head out like real quick.
So not a bus no set? Nah, again already makina ksagarnin.
And
Ati
do you have a bus ticket or we're gonna pay?
كنكفلا 5650 انا ግን የብለኝ ሰልኻ ኮይን ገለ
I have money.
ኮይን ኣለካ
No, I have cash.
ካሽ ሞ ይቅበልሃን
For two is like $6, isn't it?
650 no so $7
Really?
yeah
I got
350 each
$10 to pay.
but he's not gonna take cash you gotta put coins inside
Are you serious?
yeah,
That's how it works?
yeah or you gotta have the pass which we don't have
I don't know.
but we could actually
Yeah.
let's go to the train station
Yeah.
بس أعطينا
Yeah, but internet will not work there. It's bad. I'm like you
oh
probably know.
yeah yeah sometimes
It's not
no انت يدي بين يا ريت
Yeah.
but the
Down.
government center تحلف كلها
Yeah.
أيسر حلقاني because government center ስለዝኾነ maybe ናይ hacking ገለ
No, for real. My own internet, I'm saying, it's not home connect. Just normal ginwala. Internet doesn't work.
no it's only a certain point trust me
Yeah?
yeah
But this is nice. Really nice, bro.
Williams Engineering
Now you can tell like this is the streets, like 101 Street.
sir.
What else? What else, buddy? Now, Bezin the Harket Kaji. You go down all the way. Train stations. Doesn't ከባቢውን. But we're not gonna take the train now. We really no, that's not the plan. No.
We just keep walking the streets.
Yeah, keep on walking. But I wish we had a jacket, bro. I wish we brought.
Yeah, right. Should we? I mean, it's not that far.
No,
we could get a jacket.
we're gonna go back. Now, momentum to Bahalalo. Bear the pain. We can last longer.
We should have thought 3 times.
I did think. Now, after the Hajj, get the whole view. Like you start from here and then go all the way there. Higher view?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Where's in the sky?
There.
Yeah, we said it.
Yeah, let's go. We got the light on our side. If you're cold, give me the camera. I'll hold for it.
No, I'm good.
Give me the green light. I'm ready to go.
I'm babala.
Green yari?
No, ሰንበትኩም እስከ ሸነን
نادي حتى ينتهي النسكي كم بابا سنبتكم اسكشنن بليت بقات موسان حواتي say very thank you so much you're so kind علامة ناسين وحبوز مساناي no politics no drama just pure joy you know سلام عود خنا سواتنا احنا just going to show you the city that's the whole plan نفاس الله it's really a sacrifice to do this I'm telling you يلا نفاس crazy bro, it's nice, really.
Yeah.
We never come. All we do is work. We never chill. It's crazy. Shalom, shalom. Eri love, welcome. Ski comment it's half like to share balo. We want more people to come and have a look. We want people to enjoy their day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day and I can't stop to think about it.
If only it wasn't windy.
If only it wasn't windy, bro. But it's like up Edmonton again. If it's not windy, it's raining. It's not raining. It's snowing. It's never like the perfect.
Yeah.
Like we're so used to the heat of Uganda. Like coming here, it's like crazy.
No, then summer of the boy gets crazy hot though.
Yeah, but
like,
that's what I'm saying. Everything is extreme. It's never like
there's no in between.
Yeah, you can't have it a good day.
Yeah.
It's gonna snow or something crazy is gonna happen.
I hear you.
Bro, seriously, how come we never been here?
No, I have.
You have probably, not me.
Because like before,
it looks nice. How about us? Do we look nice? Say Benny, you look nice too. Gracias.
There's a
the what?
But nah, what we're both out of it, Muslim. Sure I can.
Oh, to the park down there?
I'm not sure. You wanna go check it out? There's nothing that says we can't.
Nothing, yeah. It's but we can. Okay, actually, yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, let's look at it. It looks nice though. Thank you.
Yeah.
Eri love, where are you from? Where are you right now? May I ask where is this? This is in Edmonton, Alberta, downtown.
Ish. Downtown.
Downtown-ish, yeah.
Kinda sorta.
Downtown, yeah.
Kinda sorta.
UK, awesome.
UK.
Yep.
We get emotion from UK.
Yes, sir.
We made it. We made it.
You done made it. Did you subscribe already though? That's the real question.
Bro, it's exciting times. Can't believe it. It's unreal.
I see Union Bank here. Wow. Okay, where is that? Union Bank. Did I miss
Union
something?
Bank?
It's oh yeah. Okay. This
really?
Union Bank Inn. No, it's not a bank, I think. It's just
it's an inn. Probably like I don't know, some restaurant, hotel type-ish?
Yeah, something like that.
Is it? I can't see, bro.
I think it's just being renovated.
Yeah, probably.
Something like that, yeah.
Bro, let's go back. I can't take the coldness anymore.
Right? Yeah,
it's crazy cold.
Yeah, but this oh, actually, I think there's a nice view there, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's about to rain, just so you know. We have to be fast.
Yeah, it is starting to. You see there? Like, I think there's a nice view there. Oh, that was.
Turn around.
That was
Bro, you don't got to take that wind, bro. You got to turn around. You don't got to face it. Wild.
It is.
Kubratin kubranin.
Desbele Shishai Asfahan.
Amen. 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 Desbel ki desiluna. Bro, it's wild.
Oh yeah, there's something nice there.
Yeah. Because so what I'll do with us.
Yeah.
Bobon sinchon meliu way look at Hamza. Ab much audio zol go back.
Habela.
Much what? I look on has marat America. Holy.
Yeah, I kinda. Oh, there's a nice view here.
Mm-hmm.
Zuban Sinkai.
Zuban Sinkai. Abetua.
Oh yeah, there's a nice view here. I would imagine.
I know. Bruh. Ski. شهد كي تبغى تنقل دابل كعركي.
بس بينه.
وين؟
سهل.
Is there a path?
Yeah, and I walk very. Because you could see Edmonton military as well. Garga.
قربنا في ساعة كده.
That's the river valley, right?
Is it? Yeah, I think so.
I don't know if they can see it.
Oh, yeah, that's probably the one.
Yeah, Farouk, have a good one. Thanks, man, for joining us.
Take care, broski. This way, buddy. It's slippery.
Just that of the hand like that.
This is
Good useless.
Corri. خدتي كم تي عاد بلا كم قر خدتي كم تي عندها بلتي كم تي عندها بلتي أبد قلت مي توماس لازارز قلت ما قلت مي قلت يمكن لك برا بسكي روح سنبتي قارلكم glad to chat with you guys كويس broski see you later I'll see you another day
stay subscribed so we can see
yeah
you more
do subscribe
often.
stay subscribed so you can see us next time as well
Yes, sir.
yeah it's kind of getting too windy at this point like how much can you take?
Yeah,
let's go back. Yeah, it's gonna rain. It is gonna rain. Let's go.
Being park on gonna fit Kala?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That way. I don't know what yeah, this is McEwen.
No, it's not McEwen. McEwen University.
But Center High again.
Okay, Center High campus.
Yeah. This is where you can upgrade Galambala, I think.
Oh, so they're connected. Like Bahansa and Malid.
Yeah, it is the same thing.
I didn't know that.
Please do subscribe so you can watch it again, and we'll be doing more lives from now on. This is the first of many. We do have a lot of videos ready for street questions. We just haven't posted them yet. They are coming. just over there. You pass that McDonald Drive.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where it's at.
So I don't know. Yeah, you like. Yeah, you call something.
Howdy. Let's cross here.
That should be the next design for Manishuda. Tesla Sarah.
That one.
Elon Musk. That should be his next idea where you just call the car and it pulls up.
Oh yeah. Well, somebody's already thought of it. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but no one's done it.
Yet.
So many nice cars passing by this.
A lot of Teslas too.
Yeah. And it's better we cross this side and go the other side.
Now you can go here too.
Because we parked on the other side, right?
It's over there.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Same thing.
There's a Honda Madam na. No, not yet. You still want me to go on?
Yeah.
Show them the city? Okay, let's go. We'll show you all the drive car.
Yeah.
All the drive going back home. And hopefully you love it. That's the whole plan. You gotta hold it like this though, because I made the camera change. Gotta maintain that.
بروح سنبت تقبر لكم دكيري حلالات.
Amen.
آمين حبيبي.
Yep.
بروح سنبت تقبر لكم.
You know what? We might go and drop the other car.
Which one?
You ever going? A little bit? I do play chess. On percent, yeah. Have I ever been beat? Yeah. And yeah. You take that pawn. Yeah. You take 2, and then you take the pistol. Yeah. That's what it is. No, not nearby. I wish I had though. You play chess as well? Ooh, really? You're a good player too.
But I'll be honest, I don't play guys for their experience.
Yeah.
Or I'm not doing well. I don't know the better.
Oh yeah?
I'm not prepared to take the chance or
Yeah.
So,
Right on. Right on. Yeah. Well, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Ben. Yeah. Lovely to meet you. You have a good one. Take care.
I have a good one.
Oh, I wish I had a chessboard. I've been challenged, huh? I've been challenged, Ben. Can you play chess? Yes, I do. Do you have a chessboard, Benny? That's
Yeah,
a good
Ben.
question. Benny should have had a chessboard by now.
Yes.
That's
How do the viewers know that you're not telling the truth
the whole
online?
story. Yeah, because I was just challenged and couldn't. I mean, I could defend myself if I could play online, but that's not a real game. It's gotta put the board down. Yep. I learned my lesson. Gotta walk with my chessboard from now on.
like running across?
No, no running. You don't running nowhere.
Oh, start getting out already?
Who?
Makina?
Yeah, gotta
Let's
warm it up.
start. Jeez, why is it so windy, man?
Bro, don't even open your eyes. It's crazy.
I know, I'm go.
You just gotta hope you're walking the right way and Jesus take the wheels, I guess.
Yeah, broom shot.
Yeah, long shit. Like ساعتنا كنا حمشتا.
No, it's abdicated.
Oh,
Time to sleep, guys. Bye, ciao.
Boris Johnson salam bolna.
Boris salam bolo salam ta. Salam.
وديري هاتي.
Modere.
Oh, broski, let's get to the car.
Finally.
Jesus Christ.
Peace.
والله جاي ربه. Oh,
We made it. It was a journey.
look. Should we record as we go back as well?
Yeah, I thought we were going to that.
No more, buddy. I'm tired. For real, that's a long walk.
I guess we should record till like around our area, then we can come.
Okay. Yeah, let's go home. Home, the place where I belong. Your phone has Bluetooth, right?
Yeah.
This?
Oh, you want to connect some?
Yeah, give me that.
Give me a second.
That's good. No, that's good. So this is already open. No, you gotta close it. You can do. It's so windy. It's not even fun no more. Bro, you seen that?
Nope.
Crazy.
Connect it, Atlika?
Actually, no. We don't need to connect it.
You can't play with the same phone.
No, you
No.
can't. You can't. But I can play this song.
We'll get moving soon, guys. We'll get moving soon.
Yeah, we'll go somewhere in a bit.
I'm trying to analyze this building over here. By engineers that are here.
I gotta put some music, bro. I can't do without music. Okay, maybe it's not gonna work.
It's not connecting? Yeah, then forget about it.
Yeah, we just gotta keep going. Yep. Is it one way here? Okay.
No, it's not.
I think we can go straight.
Yeah, you can.
It's so hilly again.
Yeah. You know where it's actually very hilly is in Calgary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We wanna go very soon.
The city is small.
Mm-hmm. Have shutter started?
Sure.
Oh, the bridge. But that's kind of windy.
Yeah, it is too windy.
It is too windy.
No, maybe later we'll.
Yeah, maybe later, actually, yeah.
Let me just go.
There was a car I wanted to check out. Should I go check it out?
Where is it?
It's right besides our house. Just in front. It's ignition.
What's wrong with it? Is it dead? Mister?
Yeah. But you know what? Let's go home.
No, let's go do it. Let's go see the car. Let's go see the car. It's near home.
Then we gotta make a call and everything. Let's go rest. We've had a day, bro. We've been out for how
Okay.
long? We haven't sat down. It's Sunday. We gotta say thank you, Lord. Everything that you've done for us. We appreciate it. Alberta Health Service.
Okay, haram tayo na.
Ako na.
Bukuli ka kaya lang.
We're gonna get it going. مش حتسلا الخباب الوقت فلقى. Like I rarely see them, but now it's like a lot of them.
It's the red car effect because we start speaking about it.
Comedy.
Here, take a right, I think.
No, let's go
Left.
straight.
It's left actually.
No. Oh,
It's
straight.
right.
Don't tell me.
No, trust me, go this way with the Beziagika.
Okay, let it be green.
And then take a left and we show them that area.
Over there, I'll take. It's the same one. Then I'll cut. Just because there's this guy.
Because then you see if you.
See how this is still red? This is what I was saying. It's one way here. Just cut. جزا وتنا تعمات أنا في أسرع وني بقى. كواي من العزيكم وكمان تسمعنا قبل. Okay, let's say our goodbyes. Turn the camera on. Okay, كبراتن هات المدبنا كتالي بخالد مدب كتاب الرقب. Enjoy جركم وهتكونوا نفيت الميتيو. انتهي حطاتكم كنت أحب لأطولهم ما بكومنت. استفعلي فيديو خمسة كسرحة بلوج كريكم. بعمو هاي نزحتكم من نيركم كومون كمتيه. هلو مجن تا حلالنا من حدا ساعات كوني نيروا انجوي جرنا نخون تسفاي قبر اسكي حسب مسكوت كلكم تخاتتنا إذا مدب يا بززل لخموس السنايو سلامي مني لكم زي ودحنكم مالتيو إنا نقولو هنا ياخذنا رد عركي
على الناس السنايو شاوه
السنايو exit right there
إريترانا والعقلنا إريترانا